I designed the round version of my minimalist key holder, and this is the entire design process using Adobe Illustrator, and it's really simple and easy. Let's start with the new artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Choose the ellipse tool and create a circle of 280 by 280 mm. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path and choose -10 mm to create a smaller size circle. Select them together and click on Pathfinder tool to create a hole. Choose a rectangle tool and create a box of height of 10 mm and width of 250 mm. Put it just a little bit above the center area. Select them together, choose the Shape Builder tool and remove the extra area by holding the Alt key and dragging the mouse. Click on Pathfinder tool to merge them together. Now select the Ellipse tool and create a 1.5 mm circle. This will be the guiding hole for our iron hooks. If you want to download free cut files, you can find the link to the shop in the description. Six holes will be suitable for this size of e-holder. Let's align them vertically and click on horizontal disputation to create equal balance between them. Make a group and adjust them on the layer. Select the ellipse tool again and create a 4.5 mm hole for the wall mounted nails. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. This would really help publishing content like this more often. Select all of them together and make 2 copies. Choose the Pathfinder tool to cut holes. Select the Shape Builder tool and merge the area together by dragging the mouse. This is going to be our base layer and this is going to be our upper second layer. Now let's go to Canva and search for some pattern which we are going to use to design this key holder. Choose any pattern you like and download it in PNG or SVG format. If you download it in PNG format, open it in Adobe Illustrator. Click on Image Trace. Click on Expand. Ungroup them and choose the element you want to keep and delete the rest. I have chosen this pattern to design this key holder. Let's cut out a certain area and use this to design our key holder. I'm going to use the lower blank space to embed the pattern designs. Make a copy of the base layer before making any changes. Now select them together and select the Shape Builder tool. To remove any area, press and hold Alt key and drag the area with the mouse to remove it. Do the same with the whole area. Press and hold the Alt key while clicking the area where you want to remove anything. Double check everything and click on Pathfinder tool to merge all of them together. Now our second layer is ready. The upper blank area is a personalization. You can choose any font you want to write in the blank area. Now let's open it in the Lightburn software and cut them out. I'm going to cut the base layer in black color and upper layer in dark brown color. I'm using a Sculpfun S9 machine. I went a little overboard and created a bunch of designs. If you want to own these files, you can check the link in the description. There are also a lot of free files available to download from my shop. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.